Hi YouTubers, I'm Dylan, and in this tutorial video, we are going to be drawing Danny Phantom. So get your pencils, get your paper, and let's begin. So we're going to start off with a simple circle for the basic, top of his head. So we're going to get that. Then we're going to be drawing his chin area, which will be like this. And his neck will be back like this. And then we need to draw this sort of triangular shape for his basic body. Then we need to draw stick lines to indicate his arms. And one arm's going to be like this. The other's going to be straight down. Then we need to get his feet and legs. Then we got to put in the center lines so we know where the middle of his face is going to be. And remember to draw very loosely and lightly at first, because remember, we're not going to use all these lines later on. We're going to cover some of them up soon. Okay, so we got our basic shapes. Now let's get on to start with his nose. It's basically going to be like a sideways V shape that goes like this. Then we're going to raise that line up. And then we're going to give him some eyebrows, and they're fairly simple. They just go like this. They're simply squares. Okay, so we got those. Now we need to draw the eyes, and they are going to be purely simple circles. One here, and then one here. And then we're going to draw another circle inside. That's going to be the iris. Then we're going to put slightly smaller. We're going to have these pupils and irises down a bit so that he's like looking this way. And if you want, you can blacken those in. And then let's finish his face off with a smile. So we got his face. Now we need to define his chin a bit. Then you're going to draw a circle. That's his ear. Then you're going to draw this sort of lowercase a shape for the inside of his ear, like that. Then if you want, you can draw a straight line down here for the part where his neck starts. And then we draw We gotta draw his hair. So we're gonna put these zigzag lines that go like this, and it stops right there. Then you're gonna raise it up, this one up, draw another one, and then it's gonna curve all the way back here, like that. And then this one's gonna stick up a bit. Bring that one to a point. And there you got his hair. Now we need to draw his body and clothes. So we're gonna draw this kind of half oval shape right here. That's where his collar is. Then he's got his like logo that shaped like the letter D, except it doesn't close at the bottom. So we're gonna draw that. And then we draw his shoulders. You can make this side a little smaller. Here's one side of his arm. Here's his belt. You don't have to put anything else, just a simple rectangle, and that's his belt. And now let's get the rest of his body, starting with his arms. And make sure that the forearms get a little bit thin, like this. There's his glove. And then we gotta draw his thumb, like that. And then he has 4 fingers folded in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then get the outer side of the palm and close off that glove. Next, we draw his arm like that, and then get the other side. So we got that. Now we're gonna throw in his other arm, and it's gonna be from the top, the other one's from the bottom. So here's the thumb. Here's his pointer finger. Here's the rest of his palm. And for the knuckles, you're gonna draw this kind of almost W shape with a V next to it. And now it's time to draw his legs and feet. So you're going to draw these straight lines. So we got his legs. Now we're gonna get these straight edges right here. So you're gonna draw these curves. These are his boots. So here's the tip. Here's the bottom. Same thing with over here. And then right here, you just close off his boots like that. And then if you want, you could go ahead and take the side of your pencil and fill in some areas, but leave the sides uncolored because those are like the highlights of his costume. Get the side of his body, and you gotta use the side of your pencil when shading. You will not like what using the tip does. I'm gonna get this side. So I'm gonna get that. And we should give his eyebrows a shading. And there you go. You have your very own picture of Danny Phantom. I hope this video was fun, and I hope it helped you. If it did, remember to like, subscribe for more. We'll see you next time, and keep drawing.